Hey guys, Madu here from MCBTCH, and in this video we're going to be comparing the Tensor G2 with the Apple A16 Bionic chip. I've done a video like this before, but we didn't actually get the real result of how the Tensor G2 will do in performance and in various areas of the chipset. But now we have got the results and we're going to be comparing it with the A16 Bionic chip. Enjoy. So that is the comparison between the Google Tensor G2 and the Apple's A16 Bionic chip. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Bye, and I'll see you later.